Hello guys, so in today's video I'm actually gonna be showing you how I curled my hair using a straightener, and honestly I like how it turned out, you know, the waviness at the end, you know, after styling. And honestly, I gotta say I put my skills to the test because I hadn't done this in quite some time and it's not easy. And not to mention that I actually went and cut my hair shorter this morning, so it's safe to say that it was a struggle, but it was a well worth it struggle, if I do say so myself. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I use a straightener to curl my hair, I mean my really short hair, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so first things first, I like to start with the heat protectant spray, whichever one you guys prefer. So just spray it all over, and I'm not spraying that much because I already sprayed it, so just a little more. So as you guys see, I have this I guess, you know, separated right here, and then once I have that, I'm still gonna, I guess, kind of cut that, or like, you know, kind of do another sectioning. I know it's a little bit hard to tell right now because how I guess position the straightener, because it's the back of my head and, you know, like short strands of hair, but I'll show you guys a little better when I'm doing like the longer sections of hair. Okay, so let's do this. So not the front, through the back. Okay. And there it is. And if you guys feel more comfortable just going a straight like in front of your face instead of the back of your face, it's fine. Like regardless, I'm still curling away from my face and not like towards my face, if that makes sense. So now I'm getting to the top of my head. So I mean, essentially it's the same thing, but I don't want to, I guess, part my hair down the middle just yet. And I mean, you guys could part it obviously like a side part or however you guys prefer. I honestly prefer like down the middle part, but I don't want to, I guess, do that yet, so I could have more definition, or try to get more definition on the curls, like on the front. That way, because if I part it right now like down the center, if I just grab big chunks, then it's just gonna be like a weird, I don't know, bulky like curl wannabe. So that's why I still section it. Probably still section it another time before going down the center. But let me see if I could show you guys how I do this thing a little better. And again, guys, don't worry if you guys don't get it like on the first go, because like you see this part right here, I mean it is curled, but sometimes since it is a straightener, you kind of want to pull and twist or curl I guess fast enough so that you don't get the little indentations. And if you hold it, I guess, in a going down motion instead of twisting, then your curl, there won't be like an actual curl starting here. It'll just be like flat and then like weird curls starting at the bottom. I don't know how to explain that correctly, but I mean, I'm pretty sure I'll mess up at some point. Let me see if I have some of those so I could show you guys what I mean. You see how I'm getting like up the bottom section of it? Oh look, those little indentations. I don't even know that I want to do that. Should I do it from here? Let me try to do this. Okay, so you guys are gonna see what I mean right now. you see how this right here is just straight? I mean, it's okay. You could just leave it alone or just twist a little bit more, just there, so you get more definition. Do you guys see? I haven't done my hair with the curl, like with the straightener, in quite some time. So it's kind of like, I guess you lose in a way your touch, or because you don't practice. And especially right now that my hair is very, very, very short. But I feel like once you get the hang of it with the actual straightener, you guys will prefer doing it with the straightener as opposed to either the curling, the wands, or the, you know, the little clampy barrel. I'm pretty much done. I only have these little sections, and these are what my, I guess, my bangs. And I like to leave those for last because I just want to make sure that I get them right. Like, as long as you have like a good, you know, I guess, kind of frame, then the rest is whatever. That's why I try to leave this for last. So let's see if I get this right. This is stressful. Let's see. Okay, so I still separate this part, but I don't want it to get mixed up because, let's see. So it's the same thing. So grab it and twist back and release. And I know this looks weird right here, but it gets lost. But I feel like if I don't do it this way, then, to be honest, I just don't like it. Like, if I was to grab my hair going this way, I feel like there's always one side that is the hardest, and for me it's always my right side. Because I feel like my hand gets in the way. There's always just something. Well, isn't this pretty? So now try and fix it. I don't want those like big old straightener marks. And this is why you need heat protectant, because it's going back and forth in the same section. It's not good. I said one day I'll get this right and I won't have to do this to my hair. If this bangs weren't that short. But you know, you tell it, oh, don't touch them, or just longer. And they always come shorter than you want. So I just went ahead and like did this section of camera because it was not working with me. Not that it's looking perfect right now, but you know, we tried. So now it's, you know, I guess separating the curls, fluffing them up so they don't, you know, crump up. And then now you're gonna go and, I guess, fix any little curls that you're not too happy with. Like in my case, you know, this part. But I think it's working with me. So here you guys have it, you know, the end result after like fluffing and fixing and whatnot. You guys can see how the curls are falling and it's looking more like wavy. But I guess I like the way it looks. I mean, I already did it, so I have to like it, you know. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you guys have better techniques, definitely let me know. Okay, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.